Hello student of class first. How are you all? Hope you all are well at your home. Students, today we are going to read chapter number 11 and chapter name is Store the Water. And all of you know very well water is very precious for us. And every drops of water is very precious. So don't waste the water. Hina gets a glass of water from the tap. Richie gets a glass of water from a bottle. Shanti brings a can of water from a well. And Mahesh is taking water from the tank. So all these characters, Hina, Richie, Shanti and Mahesh gets water from different pot or equipment. It means that water can be stored in different pot or equipment as comes from the tap, can, tank, bucket or in bottle. In some places there is shortage of water, so people need to store water for their daily activities. Just like bathing, cooking, cleaning, washing, utensils, all these daily activities. In kitchen, we store water in a can, and in bathroom, we store water in a tank or in a bucket. And we should store water in clean containers. Now look at the picture. She is a girl and he is father of this girl, and father says to this girl, Preeti, don't keep the tap running when you are not using it. Then Preeti give answer, sorry dad, you are right, because every drop of water is precious. So never waste the water. We should never waste water. What will happen? If there is no water, we cannot imagine our life without water. We will have no water to drink, cook, bath or to clean the home. So we need to save the water. It is one of our basic need. We cannot live without water. We can save water by using it carefully. It can be done in the following ways. So read one by one. Read and should follow all these. First one, collect and use the rainwater. Second, do not let the taps run. Third one, use a bucket and a mug to have a bath. And fourth, use a mop, not a water pipe, to clean the floor. And next, repair the leaking taps and pipes. So you have to say to your parents, please repair the leaking taps and pipes. So by the following ways we can save the water. Next, what do you do with the water left in your water bottle? Give me answer. So look here. First one, give this water to a pet to drink. Water the plants with it and use it to wash the fruits. Reuse the water left after washing the fruits or vegetable by watering the plants with this used water. We should keep the water container well covered. It also helps to save the water. Always keep the water container well covered. Now at the end of lesson, read the key features of this lesson. First one, water is stored for future use. Water is stored for future use. Next, water is stored in big cans, bucket and a tanker in a family. Third one, rainwater is stored to save the water. Fourth, we should not waste water. And fifth, we should use water carefully to save it. Now, these are the hard words of this chapter: bottle, tap, tank, bucket, container, basic, rainwater, future, repair, leaking, mop, clean. So you should learn all these hard words. Next question. Your first question is, how we can save water? Answer: we can save water in the following ways. First one, do not let the taps run. Second, collect and use the rainwater. And third one, repair the leaking taps and pipes. Now it's a question time. Tick the things in which you can store water. So here are the different pots. First one, bottle, bag, can, tank, broom, bucket. So right things to store the water is bottle, tick here, bag, no, can, tick here, tank, correct, tick here, broom, no, bucket, correct, tick here. So these all the things in which we can store the water: bottle, can, tank and bucket. Next, take the pictures showing water is saved and cross pictures showing wastage of water. So in your first picture, this girl is throwing waste in the water. So this is wrong. So cross it. Second, in the second picture, the tap is open and the wastage of water, it's a wastage of water, so cross it. Third one, in this picture, the girl is washing the clothes with the use of bucket. So this picture showing water is saved. So tick. Look at the fourth picture. The tap is running when this man is shaving his beard. So it's a wastage of water. So cross it. Activity time. A. Color this picture and ask your parent or teacher to paste it in the toilet. Thank you for the turning me off. So you should color this picture. And next, make a play card and write down 3 ways in which you can save the water. So here are 3 ways you can save the water. First one, do not let the taps run. And second, collect and use the rainwater. And third, do not use shower for bathing. Use a bucket and a mug to have a bath. So these all are the exercise related to your chapter. So never waste the water and save each drop of water.